My name is Ken Kendre. I have spent 25 years in America by studying MBA and doing multiple businesses, and have come back to India and wanted to start a school where students will be able to learn a practical education at most affordable price. And that was the reason we launched Global International School, CBSE affiliated school in 2017, where we are teaching the students from nursery to 12th grade. We started with few hundred students. Now we have 2000 students in our campus. And our focus is to teach entrepreneurship coaching classes right from the 6th grade onwards so that our students become job givers and not job seekers for tomorrow. We also teach the coding from 6th grade onwards to all our students so that they can get ready for tomorrow jobs in IT industry. And also we focus on 21st century skills so that they can grab any opportunity worldwide in any country, in any company. On top of that, we also teach our students sustainable goals, which are 17 of them set by United Nations, so that we can leave this earth, this country in better condition than what we got. This is the purpose we launched Global International Schools, and we have been happily teaching our students to fulfill their dreams.
Namaste. Myself, Binsi Robin Varghese, Principal of Global International School and Junior College. In Global International School and Junior College, we mainly focuses on the quality of education. From the start of the day, from the first period to the last period, what all teaching learning activities are happening in the school, we do broadcast to the parents through Excellence in Educational Daily Report. We mainly emphasizes on the 21st century skills and the NEP. We do follow the NCERT curriculum. For every lesson and for every subject, we do have the educational based learning outcome. That is one of our specialty. Admissions are open from nursery to 12th. Those who are looking for a quality education, always the doors of Global are open for it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mohit Sanjay Guzar from Global International School from 10th grade. And of course, we learn with a great learning experiences with great mix of academics and fun activities in which we are having 15-acre lush green campus with an outdoor area called Nature's Classroom where we learn with nature with unique experiences, and we also learn critical thinking and 21st century skills, including entrepreneurship, which teaches a student how to control a business, how to run a business, or how to start a business. We are having one common motto: instead of job seeker, be a job giver.
Hello everyone, my name is Anand Narendra Jain. I'm from Global International School. Today I am studying in grade 5th. I'm here from the day 1. I'm the gold medalist of Global International School. I'm very happy to be here. For co-curricular activities and other activities like sports, dance, music, we have many other things like swimming, archery, horse riding, mountain trekking, etc. For indoor games, we have carom, chess, table tennis, etc. For dance, they don't only teach us dance on Bollywood songs, they also teach us Indian classical dance Kathak. For music, they teach us tabla, songs, and guitar and many other instruments. I am so proud to be in Global. Our international director is Mr. Bob Anderson, sir. He comes here every year and he teaches us value education, 21st century skills, and stories and lessons from Bhagavad Gita. I am once again so happy and proud to be in Global International School and Junior College.